Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. How are you guys? So, today is Thursday, 11 May 2023. The time is 9:30 now. Our time is 9:30. You know that we only trade from 9:30 until 11:30. No, not 11:30, 9:30 up until 11 a.m. We only trade for 1 hour 30 minutes in the morning, then we enjoy the rest of the day. So looking at this is what the market has been doing. The market went up, then started coming down. So what we might say is that here the market was selling around this time. We can look for a good buy, but we will just see what will the market present to us, and we take it from there. So we have to stretch it and look for our lows and highs and mark them like this and see what will be broken first. Is it a high or is it a low? Then we take it from there. So as I said, we might look for a potential buy. So, but we are not forcing it. We will never force the market to present what we want. So during this session, if the market breaks this high first, then it will be a sell. But if the market breaks this low first, it will be a buy. So let's just wait and see, guys. As I said, if the market breaks this high, it is a sell. If the market breaks this high, if the market break this high, it is a sell. If the market break this low, it is a buy. So whichever the market break first, then we take that. So guys, let me try calling someone. Let's see if so I'm going to stop recording for a little bit so that I can be on a call. Still. So I don't know, it is not possible. I wanted to stop my mic from recording, but it does not. So let's just leave it. Let's get out of here. So what I wanted was to do one thing. So you can see, let's prepare our trade. So after yesterday's session, remember we were sitting on AD6, so we did not take the trade yesterday live. So because the market actually did present the opportunity, but we did not see it as an opportunity, so we missed it, which was fine. So I ended up taking another position. So we actually made about 2 rand on that because we were on 66, so now we're on 88. we were on 86 yesterday and now we are on 88. So I took the trade, so then I got out of the trade because I wanted to record every single trade I take and explain why I took this trade. So that's why I did not proceed with the trade here. This is why I did not proceed with this trade. So yeah, that's why the balance is not the same as yesterday. Because when I was trading, it was still during our 9:30 and 11. It was still during that time, because I remember I ended that video about 40 minutes in. So someone is making please calls. Let me call this person first, then we will talk. So I'm going to, I don't know, man. I don't know what should I do, but let me just call this person. I just hope you are fine, guys. Just hope you are fine. So you remember what I said when we came into session? I said here we will look for a potential buy. So yes, indeed, we are sticking with our buy because the market has been selling. So now around this time, we are going to look for a buy. Look for a buy. And we can see clearly that the market broke this low first, and now it is approaching this low. So we are not sure if it will break this one, but it broke this low that we wanted, not this side. So now we can cancel, delete this one, make our charts clean. So it broke all of them, but let's just wait and see until this candle close below. Yeah, it closed below this low. So let's delete these things. But should I keep them, right? I should keep them for future reference. So so we'll keep them for future reference, guys. I'll not delete them. So now all you're waiting for is the market to go up. So then we look for our entry for a buy. Easy as that. So let's do it like this and come to our calendar. Yesterday, you remember we saw a huge spike going up when we missed our entry. So after that, I went to TikTok because I am not on. I went to TikTok because I'm not on Facebook and WhatsApp. So when I went to TikTok, I realized yesterday was CPI. I did not know So now I want us to start checking high impact news. Today's Thursday, so since it's Thursday, so yeah, so we are fine. We are fine. Yes, today's Thursday 11. So this is my time, South African time. It is when the news happened. So this news has already happened. So we won't see any effect from our trading session today. So yesterday, you can see yesterday we had what? CPI. So I did not know. That's why I saw that the market will buy, because at first we started with a mentality of a sell yesterday, but the market broke our low yesterday first. So that's why we decided to buy. But when we were supposed to enter, the market did not present us as an opportunity because there was CPI. So you can see here, there were news and we did not know. So meaning I don't have to look at the news for me to trade. I can trade without the news, and I will still spot the direction of the market and make money without looking at any news. So you can see, guys, analyzing is important. Yes, there are those people. It depends on the strategy that you are using. Some strategies, they are not doing very well when it comes to news, so you cannot rely on your analysis. For an example, trade lines. If I just draw support and resistance, all those things alone in the time of the news, I will probably blow my account. But the way I am doing it in a sense that whatever I am doing, it is driven by the news. The impact of the news still goes in the direction we have analyzed, we have predicted. So today is day 4. Recording all my trades. Some I only, so far in these 4 days, I only took one trade, and all this, the 3 previous markets went to our direction. Only 2 markets gave us a clear signal, but we missed the signal of yesterday to enter. So guys, imagine these 3 days, or these 2 the trades that I saw the signal. If I entered, I would have made a lot of money. We would not be sitting on 88. So what I'm trying to tell you guys is that a skill is important, and when you have a skill, you will realize you don't need, what can I say, you don't need to worry how many trades you miss. You don't need to worry about how much money you are making per trade, because you will always make money no matter what. No matter what. I know even next week, even if we miss today's trade, tomorrow actually I'm not gonna trade because of some certain reasons. But guys, remember, if you can spot the direction of the market 3 times or 4 times a week and get about 2 to 3 entries in a month, so that will be a lot of money. I'm not saying it is going to change your life, but it will be a lot. It will change your life depending on your risk management and the broker that you are using. Some people are using high lot sizes. So yes, if you are using high lot sizes and you have a lot of money in the account, you will probably change your life in the first 2 weeks. In the first 2 weeks, you will change your life like never before. But here I'm being realistic. I'm showing that we don't have money. So we don't have money. We only have 88 rands in our account. We started with 72 rands. Now we have 88 rands. So this is what we have. So this is basically meant for beginners. So beginners should realize and see that it is not all about making a million in one day, but it's about being consistent and being patient. Then you will reach a goal. I started with a lot size of 0.01. Now we are moving to a lot size of 0.02. So we are going with levels. We're not gonna skip steps. So yeah, guys, let's just wait and see how the market presents itself. So far we are 15 minutes in the trading session. So let's just wait and see. I will keep quiet now. So for us to have it entry, right, we are waiting for the market to go up. When the market goes up, it needs to break this high here. This high it just made, this high here. Let me change the color that you can spot it. This green high. So the market needs to break it so that we can have a change of character and so that we can have an entry point. So we want the market to shoot straight up in a much momentum, creating a fair value gap like this. You can see here the market went down with a momentum. So it should, even if it makes one big candle that reaches here, that is what we want. We want to see that so that we can enter. So that is all we are waiting for now. Let's just hope today we can find a trade so that we can grow our account a little bit, because we can't just be sticking on below 100 rand the whole week. Because if today we don't spot a trade, then that means this whole week we would have only made about 100, no, not 100, we will only be made 18 rand. So which is not good. It is not good. So let's just wait and see if the market present an opportunity for us to have an entry. Then take it from there, guys. Take it from there. It looks like the market want to make a new high here, but we will see. Let's see if it breaks this low. But it looks like the market wants to make a new high here, but it is a matter of waiting and see, because initially we were waiting for this high to be broken, but let's just wait and see. You can see that the market is breaking this low and creating a new high. So if it breaks below this low, then we might be looking at the market to break this high. So now we are moving here. So let's just wait and see on how this candle closes. Let me bring it back here and wait and see how this candle closes here. We are 20 minutes in the trading session, and the market hasn't presented us with any signs of an entry, but it is broke what we wanted to break. Yes, the market here has surely because I don't want to market to go down far from this low here. It broke. It should be a reasonable move before it goes up. So now it is a matter of waiting. So the market has actually made this new high here. So let's see how it breaks it. This is the new high that the market formed, that we need to see the market breaks this side before we can have an entry. Because if the market keeps going down, then that means we won't have an entry that we are looking for, and we will not trade. So it is better to be patient than to blow the account. That is what is important. Don't rush the market. Don't force the market. Let the market do its thing and make money. That's all. So while the market is still doing that, let me be busy with other things. Bari yenda varmi ni fakovuka. Chapter 2. I am still here, guys. So the market is not trying to give us an entry. So the market is slow, but we should not rush it. We are still 30 minutes in the session. We are left with an hour, so let's see what the market will do in this hour. The market doesn't wanna move. Doesn't wanna move. It doesn't wanna move. We like the dogs out. We like the dogs out. So the market is busy creating new lows. Does not wanna break them. Let's see. We don't have a change of character. So to make things easier, we are using this indicator. For just change of character, it is not a must. I can delete it. I don't actually need it because I know what I'm doing. But this is for those who don't wanna worry more about a little thing called change of character. You just like it shows you, that's it. This only do one thing, show you the change of character. You can see that my chart, it only has this thing. a break of structure. So it shows you that the market has been breaking, going down, breaking, going down. That's all it is showing. Nothing more useful than that. So we are about 36 minutes in the session. About 44 minutes left. So now I'm tired, guys. I'm tired. Yeah, about 40 minutes in the session, and we haven't seen an opportunity for a trade. So we might not see an opportunity, but let's just wait and see. Okay, 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 okay. Let's just wait and see. I think I'm having in the let's see. Yes, we have a change of character. This is our fair value gap. We'll just wait and see. You can see this proper fair value gap. We have this one here. So, but today we're going to enter in this one because yesterday we waited for something like this, but it did not enter. So I was pressing my phone. So when I said, then the fair value was made. So I was not aware of this. So the market might come to the fair value gap straight. So let's prepare our order to buy. Once the market comes here, we are buying. Let's just wait and see. Is it the eurusd? Yes. Let's just buy this in the fair value gap. The market came to the fair value gap. So this is our trade. You can see here. Because the market has touched the fair value gap here, so I don't think it will come back. It might, but it broke on the structure here, but the indicator I will consider this is a break of structure. But let's just see. The market may come to this fair value gap and shoot straight up, so it is a matter of waiting, but it has touched it here. So let's just wait and see. we still have the fair value gap, so the market might come touch it and shoot straight up. So the market is still coming to our fair value gap. Yeah, Sally busy. So let's just wait and see, guys. It's a matter of patient waiting and seeing. But it looks like it is trying to make a new low here and a new high. So it is playing around this fair value gap. So we'll just see when the market keeps on going and how we do it, because we still have this another fair value gap here, so it will be a stretch for us, but let's wait and see. We still have another fair value gap here. The reason I did not wait for the market to reach it, because yesterday we waited for the market to reach the extreme fair value gap, then we missed the trade. So this fair value gap is the one that broke the structure here, made a change of character, so that's why I entered in it on it. So it can be ideal, someone can enter here on this when it reaches here and end. So let's see, our account can still handle it. So our account can still handle it. So now the market is eating the profit we made previously, but let's keep our cool and wait and see how the market plays out. We are about 50 minutes in the session, so we'll just wait and see how the market play. So the market has made a new high here. This is the new high. Basically our stop loss can be around here. So you can see that we are on a red to show that our margin is being, so it's a matter of waiting and see. Our margin cannot handle, our account cannot handle the drawdown, but let's wait and see. because we're looking for a buy. So we are initially on the amount that we started with, 72 rands. So let's just wait and see, guys. Are we today? That means we are facing a loss, which is okay. So we still have this fair value gap here. So this is our ideal stop loss. So if it hit it, so we can see we've been taken out. So let's see. One thing we can pray for is not to blow our account, especially when we haven't seen, what can I say, especially when we have missed about 2 trades, big trades in the previous days. So we don't want to damage our account. But we should be patient and see. We are about 50 minutes in the trading session, and the market gave us an entry, but now we are still in a draw down. We're still in a loss. So we are on a minus 15 including at the spread. So let's just wait and see how the market plays and see if it is a winning trade or a losing trade, because not all trades are winning trades. If you have a losing trade, it will be hateful, because as I said, we missed good trades in the previous days, but we will handle it and come back next week. Next week is still time to trade. I'll just see next week. So far this is the longest video I've made, or 55 minutes. in the session. Usually around 40 something we get out of the session. So today the session of today is taking long and is making us to be in a lot of a drawdown, so where we might potentially blow our, but we won't blow our account, but this may make us not to be able to take entries in the next few days. But it is a matter of waiting, being patient, and seeing how the market works and go by it. Whatever happens today, we have to accept it that the market did not actually go in our direction, but we are waiting for a buy. So it breaks this high, so it looks like the market actually, we can't say it went to our direction because it hasn't broken that high. So it looks like the market has made a new, it's trying to make a new high here. So let's wait and see. Now if the market breaks this low here, then we are getting out of the trade because it will cause a change of character to the downside, indicating the market was to go down. So let's see. And one thing about spread that is killing us, look here. Here above, if we look at this here, we entered while looking at this, we entered around here, but look here where our entry is. So our entry should be around here, not here. Our favorite gap is here. So, but guys, let's just wait and see. You can see the spread, we have to live with it. We are 1 hour in the trading session. And the market has created a new high here. Usually we go with about 10 pips around here, 11 around here, then we get out of the trade. So let's see. are only left with 30 minutes in the trading session, so we might get out soon, because I don't like what the market is currently doing. I don't like what the market is currently doing. So I don't like what the market is currently doing at all. Because it looks like the market does not have the power to go up. It is struggling, but you can see it is failing to break this high here. So let's just hope the market does not break this low here. We have a fair value gap here. The market might still come down to it. So this you can actually take profit here. Remember guys, we don't have a big account, so I said we have a fair value gap here. Let's see if the market will come and respect it and go up. But I'm looking for this low. If the market tries to break this low, we might get out. Because we are trying by all means not to blow our account. What is important is us not blowing the account, but the growing the account. Because remember, the little money that we're making, it is increasing our margin. So the next time when we enter a trade, we can have a good and a high. So guys, what should we do? So coming to the fair value gap. So will it respect it or what? We don't want to see a huge drawdown. but by the look of things, the market is, the way the market is doing today, it is difficult to predict because it does not have that momentum we usually get. So we usually use to few candles, then we hit our TP, we get out. So consider this as a new low. I once saw something here. It says trailing stop loss. Let me. Okay, they say it moves stop loss automatically. So no, but here it is. Let's put our stop loss here. So it is a good thing to trail a stop loss. So guys, but you see this. So now if it comes downward, we will be taken out, guys. So guys, I think whatever we make here, it will be enough for us. I'm trailing my stop loss. So we made about, we'll just see. Yeah, we are near our TP, but I set an automatically trading. It is the first time using it, but guys, it is important. So I think I should get out. It is a few pips before our TP has been hit. We don't want a lot of money, but we just want enough for us to grow the account. So this is important. This is the first time I'm using it, so I think I'm going to use it always, because even if the market tries, but it is risky. Let me get out. It is near our TP, so our TP has been hit. So let's close, guys. Let's close. So it's been a good trade. The market might still go up, but remember, 11 pips, 10 pips, it is our target. So because if we want 20 pips, it might not go there. If we wanted to reach here, it might not reach here. But if we make 10, 11 pips, then we see the market now went down. See, imagine if we were still holding the trade, we will be losing that money for what guys? So guys, this is 1 hour 13 minutes video, so